ladies and gentlemen. Even as I stand here talking before you, I still vividly remember the days when I was a student and applying. I still remember all the excitement and the kind of little tension that I had. And in all, I think this MBA course has been a wonderful journey for me, and I'm sure that it's going to be the same for you too. My name is Lavanya, and I've done my MBA in the year 2004 here. And interestingly, I was the only non-engineering student in my class. And I run my company called Diabetics Desire, and wherein we manufacture diabetic sweets and health products which are patented. Basically, I would like to share a few words on how this course has impacted me and my career in ways more than one. And talking about how it has benefited me, there are two kinds of take-homes that one can get in a course like this. One is the direct take-home and one is the indirect take-home. The indirect take-home, according to me, is the more important one. It is the one that molds a person. The direct take-home is what is given to you. The indirect take-home is what you take from them. You would all have heard the word MBO, management by objectives, but I think the O here stands for observation. Just by observing the department and the professors, I think one understands, what management is and the kind of values that it instills in one. I see all of you youngsters who are going to become big managers and CEOs tomorrow. It's not just because of the specialization or the area that you're specialized in. It's also because the person you are, the values that you carry, the kind of human being you are. And that comes from the values that you imbibe from the atmosphere that you are immersed in. And seeing my experience from the MBA and this department, there are three values that I found that I really observed and I tried to imbibe in me. One is nurturance, second is excellence, and third is performance. The general conventional definition of management is getting work done through people. But real management is developing people through work. That is what this course and this department does. It develops people. And a leader transforms from a mediocre person to a great one by nurturance that he gives to the others. By the way he nurtures and develops people around him. See, this nurturance is one quality that I found in this department right from the day that I set my foot into it. Even as I was waiting for the interview with, little anxiety, the HOD, he himself came to the door, opened the door, welcomed me, made me sad, chatted a few words. It was not like an interview at all. It was such a nice ambient atmosphere, and that nurturance that started there continued for the next 2 years. Similarly, since, as I said, I was a non-engineering student, every professor took that extra step to ensure that I understood what was happening and I was comfortable. Professor called me up and said, are you comfortable? Are you fitting into the system? Because in most of the colleges, a HOD might not even know which student who's whom. It will be just student XYZ, but not here. That was the kind of individual attention and nurturance that really brought about people. Because knowledge strives only when there is nurturance. Fear stifles knowledge. So once nurturance is there, the second part is excellence. A manager is a great manager not because he can do a great job. It is because he can instill others, his people around to do the job better than him. And that is the kind of empowering people give each one of us. As I was a non-engineering student, I didn't know any computer science or computer programming or anything. I had done my master's in literature and master's in communication. Now, there was this computer science project wherein we had to do serious programming and all, and I didn't know. Any other professor could have simply said, you don't know anything, you deserve an F or a C. But not this professor. He taught the course module by module, separated the project into different parts, taught me, in this frame you must have completed so much work, gave me extra support, extra material, did not spoon feed me at the same time. Enabling the person is what makes a person a leader. And that is a quality that I learned from this department. Now, when this nurturance and this excellence is combined together, performance becomes an automatic byproduct. That's what I found. Coming to the direct take-homes that I learned from this course, the first is the kind of solid foundation that one gets. I specialized in marketing, but though I was a non-engineering student, I had a very sound foundation in all areas like finance, IT, statistics, operations, strategy, everything. So what happens generally in an organization is a marketing person is often unable to see a product from a finance person's perspective. A finance person is not able to see it from a marketing person's perspective. When one here has an overall holistic idea, one is able to integrate all the departments, and that is where a leader emerges. So in that way, I think the solid foundation that this course gives is of immense value, and that really helped me in my day-to-day performance, in my finance, in my managing my company, in my finance and things like that. Again, the internship, I felt the exposure was really very good. I did my first internship in a brand building company, wherein I had an opportunity to see the gap between the business opportunity and the customer want, and how ideas can be generated to bridge that gap. So this gave me an idea of how one can see a problem or a product from both a customer's point of view as well as an organization's point of view. And such exposure was immense help in when I came to my own company handling my own products. I did my second internship for summer in my own organization, wherein I had the privilege of learning, applying all the theories that I had learned into my own project. My company is an ISO 22000 certified company from TUB, Germany. So these are kind of inputs and inspirations that I really got from the course that translated into my workplace also. And one thing that I really think has is an edge that gives this program an edge is the kind of visiting faculties who bring about an international standards, who give us a global perspective, and that really takes the standard of the education to a much different level. And I should really also put a word about the kind of experience that my own professors brought. All of them are people with huge industrial experience. It is not theory or textbook teaching. It is especially in areas like strategy and business management, the kind of inputs, the kind of experience, number of years they have, that reflects a lot in the class lectures. And often sitting for each such classes was a pleasure. For just learning the knowledge itself, forget the degree, the learning of the knowledge itself was a pleasure, and making my every minute of the MBA that much more cherishable. We also had this unique opportunity called the CEO Speak, which I think now is called the MBA Invitation Lecture series, wherein heads of different organizations come and speak to us. Where else can a young person like us go and have the opportunity to interact with heads of organizations, talk with them in a very intimate ambience, question them one-on-one, ask them their experiences, their learnings, how they overcame problems, their inspirations. I think that was a phenomenal exposure that I couldn't have got anywhere else, and those memories still live on with me. And I think the core, the speciality of this department is, while on one way they allow for a holistic development, a lateral development, as Sir said, the business domains give a more in-depth knowledge also. So it's a dual, it's a two-dimensional growth, one on a holistic, which makes a person, what he is, and also at the same time stabilizes and concretizes the knowledge part of it also. It is said that generally what lies behind of you and what lies ahead of you is nothing compared to what lies within you. And this course was a tool that really helped me tap some of my potentials, and I'm sure that it's going to be a great journey to you also. So I wish you all the best, and thank you so much.